Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off dark mode on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now from the bottom navigation bar, click on the profile picture. Tap on three horizontal lines from the top right corner of your screen. Click on the settings. Then tap on the theme from the bottom of your screen. Under the set theme, you will see the light option, tap on it. And you will successfully activate the light mode on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to turn off dark mode on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.